So we've just had the news from the Bank of England that they have reduced their current base rate from 4.75% to 4.5%. So you might be thinking, well, I don't even know what the base rate is. Why does that affect me? I live in Scotland. Why would I care about what the Bank of England is doing? So here is everything you need to know, basically. So the Bank of England base rate is the interest rate that the Bank of England charge to other banks that they lend money to. And therefore that can have a trickle-down effect of what those banks then charge onto customers like you and me. And that affects things like mortgage rates, interest rates on loans, but it also affects things like interest rates on savings accounts too. So this is used as a tool to kind of curb inflation. So inflation is the kind of rate at which prices increase for you and I on the street, and in the past few years it's been really, really high. Currently it's sitting at 2.5%, which is slightly above target at 2%, so it's quite steady, which means that the Bank of England feel that they can kind of relieve a bit of pressure that they had on us with the interest rates, and drop that a little bit more. So this is really good information for you to keep an eye on if you are somebody who is currently coming to the end of your fixed rate mortgage term. If you're looking at buying a house and getting a new mortgage, this is a really good stat, because basically if this goes up, then it's most likely that the interest rates that you'll pay will probably rise, and if it goes down like it has done today, hopefully mortgages can become a bit more affordable. So that is how the Bank of England base rate affects people who own houses. Obviously, if you're on a fixed rate mortgage, you won't be affected by any changes until you come to remortgage at the end of your term, because you're on a fixed rate, so you continue to pay that until the end of your term, which could be 2 or 5 or 10 years. If you're on a variable rate, however, it can be affected by things like this, because by the nature of it, a variable rate varies and it kind of tends to track the trajectory of the Bank of England base rate. So if you are thinking of buying a home and want to have any more information, or you want us to debunk any other things that you might see people talking about and not know what it is, please leave us a comment below. Otherwise, you can give us a follow to see more content like this.